Hi Libra, welcome to Omkara Tarot and to your weekly You and Yours readings. Now these are for the second week of June, but time is fluid, so don't get fixated on the dates. This is something you could have just gone through, are going through, or will go through in the immediate future. And also Libra, these are general readings, okay? So they're not going to be resonating with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and just leave the rest. Don't try and make fit every tarot reading, into your life. So please use your discernment there. So let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please send us the message Libra needs to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Libra, I hope you all are doing well. And I've just uploaded the love readings too, in case you're only fixated on finding out what your love interest is up to or what your future is with them. Of course, a love reader could, come in here as well. But these are designed mostly for anyone, not just your love interest. Could be your teacher, parent, child, neighbor who's affecting your energy at this time. So please use what works for you. And use your discernment. And also, I'll be reading one side as Libra, so feel free to switch the place around in case you feel you resonate more with the other one. Okay, so my battery is low. Let me just put it on, and I'll be back in a second. So, okay, Libra, let's begin. The first card I have here for you is the Seven of Pentacles in reverse, the Sun in reverse, the Ten of Pentacles in reverse, the Nine of Swords in reverse, Two of Swords in reverse, and the Seven of Cups upright. Okay, and for your person, or let's say for person B, so we'll see which side you are on. Judgment, Seven of Swords in reverse, Temperance, Three of Wands in reverse, Four of Pentacles in reverse, and the Four of Cups in reverse. Lots of reversals for you this week, Libra. But some of these reversals are good. Okay, never just think because a card is reverse, it's a bad card. Like this one, Seven of Swords upright is a card of somebody in deep stress. Okay, they have their blindfold on and can't see, the future, and they feel bogged down basically with the stresses of life. But this is in reverse, so it actually means the opposite. Okay, so whenever you hear a tarot reader say this card is in reverse, don't be afraid, because a lot of cards in reverse are much better. Queen of Pentacles in the center of your spread, and the Death in reverse. So Libra, what's going on? Let's start clarifying these cards. Okay, so I think Libra, I'm going to call this you, right? Side one. I feel right now you are in your mind thinking of what you should have done and didn't do, right? The Seven of Pentacles in reverse. So a Seven of Pentacles upright shows a farmer who's looking at his crop to see how much he's, invested till now, what are the seeds he's sown till now, and what is the fabulous harvest that he's going to now reap. But this person is in reverse. This card is in reverse, which represents that maybe right now you feel, right now you're trying to go within, you're trying to go within and use your intuition, and you're trying to see things from every perspective possible to see what is it that you have invested in and what you have not, right? I don't think in the past you were putting in as much effort maybe as you now feel you should have, right? And these are maybe downloads coming to you. Maybe you're becoming more spiritual. You started meditation, or maybe you've met a spiritual healer who is enlightening you to whatever you have or not done in the past maybe. And right now you're not feeling that happy, right? You have the Sun card in reverse. Sun card, even if it's in reverse, still means happiness. Of course, upright it would mean absolute happiness. So right now, I think the light is a bit dimmed, and you're feeling, oh my God, I could have had that maybe. I could have had that, but it's yeah. So here's your Libra card, and right now you feel, yes, I did not do justice. Right? Maybe you feel justice has not been done in a situation, or maybe justice has not been done to you. There's something which has become imbalanced, okay, and that's kind of dimming your light at the moment, because you just keep on going on and on thinking about it. You so wanted to be in control, okay? You so wanted to have the power and the control, and it doesn't seem that it happened that way. But yes, the Emperor is also an Aries card, so you could be dealing with an Aries maybe, and you feel that justice has not been done to you or the other person, and you're trying very hard to keep your strength up, okay, at this point. I think you have been enlightened now. You have gone within, and now you are seeing the pros and cons of whatever's happened, and why you're not happy anymore, and what you should do to take power and control back, right? Yes, there could have been some fights, right, in the past. There could have been some fights, some conflicts, and a lot of secrets came out. A lot of hidden truths came out, secrets came out. Maybe, one person was trying to blind the other person with false words. So a lot of these kind of things may have happened, which ultimately led to you feeling like this, okay? The Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Now, when it's upright, it's like the ultimate happiness card, where you have it all, from the money to the love to the affection to the house to the children, like everything. But it's in reverse, right? So because of all this fighting and secrets and justice not being done, I think you're coming to a place where you're becoming enlightened. And Nine of Swords in reverse, you really feel that it's, you've done enough of thinking, and maybe now is the time that you want to go back to this past person and maybe apologize, because everything seems to have come to a complete stop here, right? So you are trying very hard to find, maybe trying to make a decision of how to go back to this past person and maybe talk to them, because you are tired of being in this stressful place right now. So what is this Ten of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit? Can we have a card for that? This was somebody you really loved. Okay, there was a lot of love here. That was an equal partnership, and you almost felt like this was like a soul connection between the two of you. But now that's come to a stop, right? And yes, this was somebody from your past, and you are now trying to find a way to relieve that stress and tension. You've been up all night, maybe for many days, months, worrying about what has happened, and you want to find a solution to how to come out of it, because right now you feel all is lost. And yes, you are trying now very hard to make a solid decision, okay? You don't want to be blindfolded anymore. See, this is again a reverse card for you, which is a good card. So you don't want to be blindfolded anymore. You don't want to, close your heart to this person, and this is the way you want to be. But right now, I think, Libra, you're very confused, okay? You're very confused as to how to go about it. Or maybe you feel there are too many options in front of you, or maybe you feel they have a lot of options. So you really want to come out of this, sad and depressed state that you've been in, but you haven't. I don't think you've made a move yet, because you're still kind of contemplating. Okay, you feel that the other person is, whoever you're going towards, is means the world to you. And you're trying to gather up your courage, you're trying to gather up some strategy as to how to move forward, okay? And I think right now there could be some confusion in your head regarding that as well. So let's see the other person. How do they feel? They feel, they have the Judgment in reverse, okay? They feel that whatever security, happiness, love, whatever there was between the two of you, according to them, they feel there is no rebirth in this, okay? Maybe something terrible happened between the two of you in the past. They've kind of lost hope, okay? They feel there is no way that, there can be any rebirth in this dynamic which maybe both of you wished for so much, because there is a Seven of Swords here, right? Seven of Swords is a cheating, lying person who is, I think, right now feeling bad about what has happened. And yeah, let's take a card anyway. Let's take a card for the Seven of Swords, Spirit. What is this cheating, lying behavior that happened? Yeah, somebody was not truthful, okay? Somebody tried to hide. There was, like I said, there were secrets in the past, right? So they feel that there was no truth being told, and somebody cheated, lied, and they are not being able to see any kind of rebirth that is possible, in this relationship or whatever you guys had. But somehow, heart of hearts, they don't want this tower to fall completely either, okay? They're trying very hard to kind of salvage whatever there was left of this relationship. They're trying to see if there is any way that some kind of balance can be restored. Even though I think they have turned their back, okay? They did turn their back, or they have turned their back at the moment, but I think they are also not willing to completely let the other person go. Spirit, what is this Three of Wands for this person? Yes, see, this is the first card, Libra, you got, okay? And this is the same card they've got as well. They feel not enough work or not enough investment has been put in this relationship, okay? And because of that, they've turned their back. Now they feel this, right? And you know this. You both feel the same way. So Libra, I think if you're on side A, you've realized that you've not invested enough, and they are also, I think, feeling the same way, that not enough investment has been put into this relationship, and it's no point now. I think they are trying to manifest something new for themselves, Libra. Okay, either something, yeah, I think so, because I have the Four of Pentacles and the Four of Cups in reverse after this. So they are trying to manifest, maybe, holding on to, they're tired of holding back on to this relationship, right? And they want to now release it. Okay, so they're trying very hard to manifest maybe a new beginning for themselves. Let's see the Four of Pentacles. Spirit, why is this person the Four of Pentacles? What are they letting go of? Two cards, okay? Yeah, they're letting go of, if somebody, Libra, if this was you and you had player energies, who was in and out of their life, who was not consistent, they want to let go of either this, or Libra, if this is you, or maybe your person was like this, okay? So they want to let go of this way of being, right? If they feel they were the player, they want to stop this way of behaving or whatever. Or if you were the player, then they are manifesting a new beginning for themselves, and they're letting go of you. And see, I have, oh my God, see, I have the Four of Pentacles clarified by the Four of Pentacles, and I had the King of Wands right in the center. Okay, so yes, definitely, whoever the player is being either let go of, or is letting go of his or her ways. They also have the Four of Cups in reverse. Okay, so somebody is really depressed, sad, and not off. Let's see, Four of Cups. Oops, too many cards. One card, Spirit, for the Four of Cups. Ooh, okay. Yeah, I think they've been in a very sad, depressed, time of their life, and they are wanting now some happiness, and they want to, go back and maybe have some fun times with their friends. Okay, they've been sitting in this energy for too long, waiting for an offer maybe which never came. Okay, here's the offer that they were waiting for. Even though this person probably got a lot of offers from other people, they really wanted that solid, dependable offer from you, which never came. So I think this person B is trying to now manifest a new beginning for themselves, and they want to bring back happiness in their lives. Yes, Libra, in the center of the spread, I do have, like I said, the Eight of Swords in reverse. Now this makes sense, right? I think both of you really want to get rid of this, too many cards, Both of you really want to get out of this Eight of Swords that you've been in. Both of you have been very stressed out in your head, worrying, and none of you have been really happy. So if this was just a game that one person played with the other, I think it's really backfired, because it's led to both of you feeling miserable. Okay, but now both of you are realizing that enough time has gone by, and this wish did not come true, but it's time to now get over all that. So in the center of the spread, I do have the Queen of Pentacles. Now the Queen of Pentacles is the wifey queen, but she's also a queen who looks after herself. So either one person is like that, she's beautiful, she's nurturing, caring, not only for others but also for herself. She's financially stable, she keeps a good home, she is loved and liked by many. So either person B is like that, or maybe the other person is thinking of this person like that. So this Queen of Pentacles is the focus, I think, of this week. That's the second week of June I'm talking about. But yes, this is a general energy which could be starting now till the end of the month. So this is how this person is, and this is how the other person sees this person. But even though there is such two beautiful energies on both ends, like the Two of Cups, it's all come to an end here. And somehow I think right now, okay, let's take a card for the Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles is you or this person. The Page of Swords energy, which is somebody who could have created some mischief to this queen, or this queen feels that it's been done to her. Okay, even so, Libra, whatever happened here, I think both of you are really resisting this change. You both know it's time to leave, right? Both of you probably realize it's time to close this cycle down, this chapter of your lives. But I think both of you are resisting this. There's so much of past memory here, maybe this wishful thinking, there's hope, and both of you are resisting, sorry. I just got tongue-tied, my God. Both of you are resisting this change because it probably hurts too much to not have the other person, in their life, one way or the other. But the whole point is, this is an energy you can't really, stop. Libra. So either you have to make amends to turn it upright, okay, which is, then it becomes the card of transformation. Like you have to get rid of your past and start a brand new cycle. If you hang on to this the way it was and yet not wanting to let it go, it's only going to lead to a lot of heartbreak, right? And I think both of you, here's the Knight of Wands in reverse again. So whatever memories there are of this player energy that came in the middle of this dynamic, okay, I don't know which one of you was the player, Libra, but this is the, somebody just doesn't want to let go of these tendencies, okay. Somebody's holding on very hard to still be the victorious one and say, hey, I'm never going to change, but you have to love me anyway. That's not going to happen. And slow and steady, this death is inevitable, okay? This relationship is going to finally come to a complete halt. And the longer you will resist this, the longer it's going to just cause pain and hurt. Anything else, Spirit? Anything else, Spirit, for Libra and the person that they're dealing with? Spirit says either you have to start brand new, okay, from the Page energy. You can't just, if you're in separation with this person, you can't just go and take over or go back to the way things were. You have to let go of all this craziness which happened in the past, and you have to begin something stable, fresh and new, with sincerity, with something which is more stable. 3 cards fell out. Yeah, because of all this cheating, lying behavior, this Empress is in reverse, so there has been no growth. But if you want this, Ten of Pentacles, you had it here, Libra, the Ten of Pentacles in reverse, but now it's upright. So if you really want this, you will have to re-begin. It's like going back to class 1 after failing, let's say, in class 9 or 10, and the principal says go back to class 1, and that's your punishment. You have to do class 1, 2, 3, 4, right to 9 and 10 again. right? But yes, there is a huge possibility because there is so much love between you two, but things just went wrong, and it's time to maybe rectify. Um because this other person, I don't think Libra is wanting to wait anymore. They realize that this is a useless attempt to wait, and yes, they are manifesting a brand new life and maybe starting to accept offers from other people. Yes, they are upset, okay? They're really upset with you, and they are going on a fresh, new path. They're taking a leap of faith, carving out a new life for themselves. So, whoever is still thinking, either you will go and take them an apology this week, or accept that it's over. Okay, Libra? Let's take an angel card for you and see what the angels would like to guide you with. Any message for Libra and their person, Spirit? What is the advice for them, or a blessing? Libra, I've just uploaded the love readings as well. So in case though yours always comes out to be a love reading, though there's not much love I think prevalent between both of you right now, but it is definitely a love reading, a love that is going sour. So it's totally up to you, right? But my love readings are up to. I'll leave a link at the end of the video. You could check those out. And if you're not a subscriber, please do hit that subscribe button. Yes, I was just talking about school, wasn't I? Giving you that example. Okay, you have failed the test, and Spirit says that you have to now re-begin your studies. Okay, you have to do the right thing the right way. You tried to take some shortcuts, Libra, or your person. You did try and take some shortcuts here, which has led to this this whole thing to have shifted out of balance totally, right? So Spirit says, please spend some time to think, review your papers, let's say, your test papers, and see why you failed. All right? And if there is any chance for a retest, great, try and pass it. If not, you're going to have to go back to a different level of education. All right, Libra, take care and love and light.